So if I give you a scenario where, let's imagine today is an afternoon of 24th of July and you have a doctor's appointment on 6th of August, okay? So today, let's write this down. So today is 24th of July and you have your doctor's appointment on 6th of August. So if I ask you a question, how many days away is your doctor's appointment? Okay, this is your doctor's appointment and this is today. So how many days away is your doctor's appointment? How would you calculate that? I mean, you can use a calculator if you want, but trust me, it will give you the wrong answer. It won't give you the right answer because it won't work for you. How I would do this is I will count out loud days starting tomorrow. I'll show you what I mean by that. So imagine this is July, okay? And starting tomorrow, I'll say it out loud. 25th of July, 26th of July, 27th of July, 28, 29, 30. There are 31 days in July because we'll end there. So that's the July. Now you can start August here, okay? 1st of August, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and the 6th of August. We'll stop here because that's when our doctor's appointment is. So we'll stop there. So my question was, how many days away is a doctor's appointment if today is July 24th? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna start counting. So I'm just gonna change the color here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So as you can see, my doctor's appointment is 13 days away from today's date. So that's the answer. This rule is also called figuring out using your fingers, okay? Because you can use your fingers, you can use your hand, whatever you want. This method is called counting using fingers. That's it. It's as simple as that.